Namaste, distinguished participants. Guru Ghazi Baik, Director of Ashram Number 1, Marrakech, members of Grand Fraternidad Universal, Dr. Roshmira Milano, ICCR alumni, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a significant day as we celebrate the 5th Ayurveda Day. Unfortunately, we are also in the midst of a global pandemic for many months now. This pandemic has stretched our resources, crippled the economy, and put burden on health infrastructure. It has brought out how unprepared the world was to tackle this crisis. Friends, it is therefore very timely that we are celebrating the Ayurveda Day today, and we will discuss the role of Ayurveda during the COVID pandemic. Government of India, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has been at the forefront of this fight against global pandemic. India has shown that because of effective management, we have not only had one of the highest rates of recoveries in the world, but also one of the lowest case fatality rates in context of COVID-19. This is a remarkable achievement of a country of India's size. India has not only been tackling its COVID problem, but is also at the forefront of contributing COVID-19 related medicines to countries across the globe. On behalf of Government of India, I had the honor of gifting 4 tons of COVID related medicines to the government of Venezuela immediately after my arrival. Distinguished participants, friends, Ayurveda is called the science of life, which has roots in the evolution of medical systems in India. Ayurveda has been providing remedies and health benefits to millions across the world. Government of India and its Ministry of Ayush is doing a great service to humanity through this unique medical system. While the world struggles with the side effects of many medicines, Ayurveda provides a holistic response to many diseases with almost no side effects. Embassy of India in Caracas has been organizing several lectures and has shared important information pertaining to Ayurveda and its benefits. We are indeed happy to note that Ayurveda is in great demand in Venezuela. In my interaction with the leadership in Venezuela, I have found interest in Ayurveda as well as yoga. Embassy of India will be happy to assist interested parties in context of Ayurveda. Friends, you may be aware that we have established the Ayush Information Center on 17 July 2017 in collaboration with the Grand Fraternidad Universal. Gandhi Hall was inaugurated on 31st October 2018, and regular workshops on Ayurveda and Yoga are being organized by the center. As you are aware, Ayurveda not only provides relief from the ailments, but gets to the root of the problem. Ayurveda's unique treatment principle is known in reducing the burden of the disease and lowers both morbidity and mortality. In today's unprecedented time of COVID-19, the issue of immunity cannot be overstated. Ayurveda is well known to increase the immunity of a person and enables the ability to fight against disease-causing organism. Distinguished participants, today, perhaps more than any other time, we feel the need to collaborate for the benefit of the greatest good of the greatest number. India, which has always believed in the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means that the world is one family, stands ready to discuss how the world can benefit from Ayurveda. Today's event is an important step in the right direction, and I hope that you can take advantage of the same. I look forward to today's deliberations and, more importantly, to the collaborations that we can forge in the field of Ayurveda. I thank you all.